Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we are making shrimp fried rice, and this stuff is better than anything you'll ever get in any restaurant, basically because you've made it, but you can also tweak it to your flavor and liking. So let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, to get this started here, you want to start out with a fairly decent sized frying pan or a wok. I do not have a wok, so I'm using a frying pan. And the first thing you need is about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. There's 1 and 2. And you can use a little more, a little less, whatever you wish to use. And I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, or any olive oil that you choose. There's 1, and there's 2. Alright, now what we need to do is to get this heated up, and then once it's good and warm, we're going to add some vegetables to it. So let me get this heated up, and we'll bring y'all back when it's ready to continue on. Alright y'all, this oil's just getting warm. I'm going to start out with about a cup of frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to throw that in there. And then I got 3 green onions that are sliced up, and about a quarter of a large white onion. So put that in there. Get my spatula. Get this stuff all moved around in here. Now we're not really trying to cook these vegetables down. We're just trying to basically warm them up. So get them in there. Let them cook for about 2 minutes or so. Like I said, just till they're warmed up. Maybe getting a little soft, but not soft, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna get that done, and then we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, this peas and carrots and onions and stuff here are just about warmed through. So now we're going to add a couple good helpings of garlic. Now, I like a little bit more garlic in mine. If you don't care for garlic as much as I do, please by all means cut down on it. But we're just going to move that around there a little bit. It only takes just a few seconds for that garlic to get warmed up. So get kind of mixed in there nice and evenly as possible. So alright, we got that. Now scrape all your vegetables off to the side here, because we're going to take 2 eggs that are well abused, and as I say, kind of beaten. I added a little bit of salt and pepper to these. We're going to dump those in there, make like scrambled eggs. So just kind of chop them up here. Keep them moving around here. Like I said, we just want to do like a scrambled egg type deal here. Don't let them stick to the bottom of the pan like I am. But it'll be alright if I do. You can get them right off. Keep kind of mixing them around there. Alright, those are just a little bit soft, but they will finish cooking while we add the rest of the stuff here. So we're going to mix all that together, bring all that over here, get all that mixed together in there, chopped up nice and neat, just like that. had a little onion escape there. Not a big deal, but all right. That's all well mixed. All right, try to get that egg off the bottom of my pan there. So, all right, next thing, we're gonna add our shrimp. Get them cooking. Get those mixed in with our rest of our stuff here. It don't take long for the shrimp there, you know, so there's that. And then you want about 4 cups of rice. Now, the best thing to use is pre-cooked rice, like you cooked like the day before. I'm using these little rice packet things here because they're really good. But if you use fresh, if you cook your rice, you know, while you're doing this, you're definitely gonna have mushy rice. You want rice that's been cooked like at least a day ahead. I like to do it at least a day ahead, or use these packets. But if you cook it right away and then try to reheat it, it just, for some reason, it just turns mushy. So, all right, get that all mixed in. This is looking so good, y'all. Now, if you don't like shrimp or you can't eat shellfish, by all means, please put chicken in it. You know, you can pre-cook your chicken a little bit, and you know, do that first before you do your other vegetables and stuff. That way, it doesn't take as long to cook. But so, got that here. Now, I like to add just a little shake more of the sesame oil, and then some soy sauce to your taste. So I'm going to go ahead and put just a few shakes of soy sauce in there. And here we're starting to sizzle up there. And just keep moving your stuff around here. Make sure your shrimp's getting cooked up good. So get it all mixed together there really good. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is smelling so delicious. So, alright, I'm going to throw a lid on here and let that shrimp cook a little bit more, because we got, you know, it's still not, got some pieces that aren't quite all the way done yet. So, I'm going to shut the camera off, let that cook, and we'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, that shrimp's cooked up awesomely. I'm going to get me a bowl. We're going to dole this stuff out. We're going to do a little taste test for you. So, doesn't it look beautiful? It's awesome. Alright, y'all, got my bowl here. It's time for the taste test. Give me a little bit of everything here on the spoon. Y'all, that is better than any restaurant. Guaranteed. Flavors. Beverage of the day. My favorite, IBC root beer. That's good too. So there y'all have it. Easiest way to make the best stir fry, or I'm sorry, not stir fry, fried rice. You know, like I said, you can put, I did shrimp. I like the shrimp. I had some in the freezer I wanted to use up. But you can use pork, chicken, even beef. You know, it's all the same. You just, you know, add whatever meat you want into it. The fried rice part of it is all the same. So appreciate y'all watching. Please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, get the notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, the garage, the tractor pulls, wherever we happen to be. And don't forget about the Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. We talk about everything. Last week we talked about food for an hour. So whatever y'all want to talk about, that's what we talk about. So appreciate it. Love y'all. And as always, bon appetit.